Good morning everyone, and thanks for joining me today. So for breakfast this morning I've got one of these yummy smoothie bowls again. It comes in a total of 269 calories. So there's blueberries in there, mango and raspberries, which are all frozen. And then there's 10 grams of Protein World vanilla ice cream flavour protein powder, which is delicious. And there's a banana in there as well, and some water. And then I've topped it with 30 grams of the Protein World granola, the chocolate chip granola, which is so good. It really is delicious. Yeah, so it was just all blitzed up in the NutriBullet and then put the granola on top. So it is delicious. I will put my code underneath again in the description box if you wanted to order anything from Protein World, where you will get 40% off anything you order. So that is my yummy breakfast for this Sunday morning. So I've just picked this up for my lunch today. It's 266 calories and it's from Aldi's. I was hoping to get the one that I had the other day, the Bang Bang chicken, but they was quite short on what they had there. So, but this is nice and low anyway. So that is what I'm going to be having in the cup. I've just popped into Waitrose and I picked up this sea salted caramel. It's like the blueberry one I had the other day, and it comes in at 94 calories, 55 per 100 grams, and there's, how much in here, 170 grams. So yeah, comes with a spoon as well, so I'm having that in the car. And Amber has got
the chocolate flavour, it's 121.
Yeah, so we're going to sit here now before we go to get the boys from the football and eat this. Oh wow, that is absolutely delicious. It's so thick and creamy. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Amber's really enjoying hers.
It's so yum, it's got like chocolate chips in it. Chocolate chunks.
Absolutely lovely. What were they? £1?
35.
35. So a bit on the expensive side, but yeah, we got a free coffee as well, so that was okay. My tea tonight is a total of 384 calories. I have got quite a pile of broccoli there. I've got half a pack of Morrison's rice and quinoa sachet that you do in the microwave. And then that is a salmon fillet that has broken up again while I was taking it out of the foil. It's one of the infused flavoured ones from Aldi's. I really enjoy this tea. It's really nice. So we've all got something different tonight. But yeah, this is my choice because this is a quick and easy go-to tea when you've had a busy day. So yeah, that is my tea. Amber has just made this protein ice cream that I showed you the other day. This whole bowl, and it's a good sized bowl, is 86 calories. Absolutely amazing what you get for your calories. So yeah, that is my pudding. So I'm ending today on 1,491 calories, which is giving me 9 calories remaining. Not quite on my protein today. I'm on 108 grams. Don't quite know why that is, but anyway, it's been a lovely day of food again. That ice cream that Amber made was absolutely delicious. It was so good. And to think that some people eat that whole thing, like I had half the portion, she had the other half. Some people actually eat the whole thing themselves, which of course is within your calories, because what was half? Half was 87 calories, so of course you can eat the whole thing, but it's quite filling, you know, half the portion. So my snack this evening is one of the Home Bargains protein bar, again, 499 calories. I really like those, and they're, you know, they're low in calories, 10 grams of protein, and only 99p. So yeah, I will show you my screen. So my breakfast was 354 calories altogether. And then my lunch, that was that Aldi thing and a yoghurt, 320. My tea was 384. And then my snacks, well, that was in for my tea, my pudding, but 87 for the ice cream. I had a pink and white wafer. I've been to my dad's and I had some Galaxy up there, which was 130 grams. that is my protein bar for tonight. And I had 20 grams of marshmallows for 67 calories. So that is what I'm ending on there. So yeah, it's been a really nice day of food. So weigh day tomorrow, and I'm feeling quite confident that I'm going to have a loss tomorrow, fingers crossed. And I have really enjoyed having, you know, the 1500 calories this week, because I didn't go like overboard last Monday on weigh day, so I didn't need to set an easier day. So I've obviously been able to have my full 1500, pardon me, that was a bit of a hiccup and a burp, 1500 calories each day, and it's really made a difference. It has, even though it's only like, what, 75 calories more. But yeah, so I'm gonna hopefully tomorrow do the same and not go silly on weigh day, because it does kind of like ruin it for the week then, I find. So yeah, fingers crossed I do get this result that I'm hoping for tomorrow, because I had to maintain last week, didn't I? So I hope I get a loss this week. So you shall see tomorrow afternoon / early evening, probably in the afternoon. So hopefully you'll tune in to see what my results will be then. So, and I'm hoping that at the bottom of this video in the description box, there will be the recipe from last night's curry, because I told you I'd forget. I am useless at forgetting. So, shut up. That's my husband agreeing. I can't help it. I really am so forgetful. I have all these intentions of things and then I just forget. So, I will do it tonight. And it is such an easy curry. It really is. Like, the bloke on YouTube that I got it from, he said, you know, like a curry with no chopping of onions or anything, because there's no onions in there. There's, well, you'll see. I'll leave the recipe down below. And yeah, it's really nice, isn't it? We enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's very nice and lovely.
Yeah, so, and it was quick and easy to prepare. And then when I had it with cauliflower rice, as I say, if you spice the rice up as well with your spices, it really does change. You know, it's a game changer, and it's obviously a lot less calories than having your normal rice. So anyway, thank you for all your lovely comments on last night's video. I have read them all. I'm trying to get through replying to all my comments over the last few days, so thank you so much if you took the time out to leave a message. I really appreciate it. So I shall see you tomorrow for my weigh-in update. I hope you've had a good weekend. Bye.